Before I begin, I want to ask you one simple question. Have you ever had a day when you woke up full of energy, but the next day you woke up and suddenly everything felt heavy? Maybe your assignments feel too much, your goals look too far away, and then your motivation disappears without any clear reasons. If your answer is yes, then you are not alone. I have felt that too. And honestly, almost every student experiences the same thing. Motivation is something we all want to keep, but it is also something that can fade very quickly. One moment we feel productive, and the next moment we feel stuck and overwhelmed. Many people think motivation is something mysterious, something we just have when we are lucky. But the truth is, motivation is not magic. It is something we can build, practice, and maintain. So, today I'm going to share 8 practical tips that can help us stay motivated in our daily life, especially as students. So guys, the first tip is to understand your why. Motivation becomes stronger when we know our purpose. Maybe your why is to graduate on time, to make your parents proud, to improve your future, or simply to become a sweeter version of yourself. When you are tired or discouraged, remembering your why can help you continue. It gives you emotional strength. So, before you start anything, ask yourself, why is this important to me? The second tip is to set realistic goals. A lot of people lose motivation not because they are weak, but because their goals are too big or too fast. If the goal feels impossible, of course we lose motivation. The solution is simple. Break big goals into small steps. Study for 15 minutes instead of 2 hours. Read 2 pages instead of 1 chapter. And small progress still counts, and those small wins give us confidence and motivation to continue. The third tip is to build a routine. Motivation depends on emotions, and emotions go up and down, but routines do not depend on emotions. When you have a routine, you don't need to feel motivated to start working. You just do it because it is part of your daily schedule. Routines turn productivity into a habit, not a burden. Even if you start small, being consistent will make your motivation stronger. The fourth tip is to create a positive environment. Your surroundings have a huge impact on your motivations. If your room is messy, noisy, or stressful, it becomes harder to focus. Try simple things. Clean your desk, play calm music, study in a quiet place, or use a comfortable chair. And don't forget the people around you. Spend more time with supportive friends or classmates. People who encourage you, not people who constantly bring you down. Even online content matters. Watching motivational videos or listening to inspiring podcasts can lift your mood and increase your motivation. The fifth tip is to track your progress. Sometimes we feel unmotivated because we think we haven't achieved anything. But actually we have made progress. We just don't see it. Use a journal, a checklist, or a habit tracker. Write down what you have done each day, even the small tasks. When you look back and see your progress, you will feel proud, and that pride becomes new motivation. The sixth tip is to reward yourself. Working hard all the time can be exhausting, so small rewards are important. After finishing a task, give yourself something enjoyable. Watch a movie, eat your favorite snack, take a break, or play a game. Rewards make the process enjoyable. And when the journey feels enjoyable, motivation is easier to maintain. The seventh tip is to accept that bad days are normal. We are human, we cannot be motivated every single day. There will be days when we feel lazy, tired, or unproductive. But a bad day doesn't mean we have failed. Instead of being hard on yourself, take a break, breathe, and start again tomorrow. Motivation is not about being perfect. It is about coming back after you fall. And then the last tip is to start even if you don't feel ready. Many people wait for the perfect moment, but the perfect moment rarely comes. Motivation grows after we take action, not before. So don't wait. Start now, even if it's a small step. Because small steps are better than big plans that never happen. And then to conclude, staying motivated is not something impossible. It is about understanding your purpose, setting realistic goals, creating routines, building a positive environment, tracking progress, rewarding yourself, accepting bad days, and taking action even when you don't feel ready. I hope these tips can help all of us stay motivated, especially as students who face many challenges. And then thank you for listening. That's all from me. See you and bye bye guys.